Any recipe with lots of vegetable makes it nourishing and also flavorful. I'm going to show you how to do baked vegetable rolls. For this recipe I'm using all these vegetables as the filling, and I'll show you the dough ingredients later. Cabbage, potato, carrots and some capsicums, different colors, onions, ginger and garlic paste, always enough to your taste, salt, pepper and some stock powder, vegetable stock powder. And these vegetables can be changed according to your liking. First let's prep the vegetables and cook the vegetables. You can grate the potato or chop the potato. I'm going to cut the potato into small cubes. And cut the carrots into cubes too. Cut the onions. Capsicums now. After, transfer this to a bowl. Now let's cut the cabbage. Put some oil into a pan, and into that add about quarter a bunch of parsley, and into that add the garlic and ginger paste. After, add the chopped vegetables. Cook on a low heat about 5 minutes. Before that, add the salt, pepper and the stock powder. After, add the cabbage and cook until tender and there is no liquid. Now let's do the dough for the vegetable rolls. I'm using 450 grams plain flour with 150 milliliters oil or butter and 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt and 180 milliliters water. So let's start doing the dough. Add the flour into a mixing bowl, or you can hand knead this without a problem, and into that add the salt and the sugar. Then add the oil or the melted butter and knead the dough. After, add the water bit by bit. Once it comes to this consistency, like little balls, take it out. For the rest, we need a bit of manpower, so I'm going to put it on the bench and knead the dough, giving your weight onto the dough like this. After, leave the dough in the same bowl and cover and leave to rest about 15 to 20 minutes. Let's do the rolls now. Take the dough out, press. Cut it and then divide that into two. Leave one and take the other dough and roll it to a log. After, cut the dough into two first and then again to 2, and each piece to 3. Put some flour onto the bench, take one piece, press down and roll it to a rectangular shape. Put some mix in the middle, cover, and roll. After, put it on a baking sheet. I put 2 egg yolks and a tablespoon of milk and mix that to get this, to brush the top of the rolls. If you like only, put some sesame seeds on top. Instead of sesame, you can use poppy seed, chia seeds or flax. So this goes to the preheated oven, 180 Celsius or 160 Celsius in a fan forced oven, about 20 minutes or until golden brown. I baked the rolls about 30 minutes and this is how it looks like. If you want more crispier, you can bake it a bit longer, and they are really soft and spongy. And if I open one to show you, this is how it looks like. You can serve for a party or even as a snack or even for dinner. Serve with some chutney or tomato sauce. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.